How to turn on or off videos you may like notifications on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off videos you may like notifications on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Now all you need to do is click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. And here you're gonna find those options. Click on push notifications. Once you are here, scroll down and you're gonna find video suggestions. Video suggestions, you can turn off videos from account you follow, notifications, or from people you may know, or videos you may like. You can turn off now or on this option, whatever you want, and anytime you want. Turn off on videos you made like on TikTok app. So this is it guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like.